I think what's good about the buddy scheme for organisations, and this organisation as well, is that the staff will, there are people in the staff who are speaking Welsh at various different levels, and in the beginning not so much speaking to each other or using hardly any of their Welsh at all, and that is what we could bring to them, and that they can actually start to plan how they want to share their Welsh with their community by starting with themselves.
Mae'n wahanol I just cael cynllun Cymraeg a bod pawb yn gorfod dysgu Cymraeg, bod nhw ddim yn teimlo fel bod rhaid iddyn nhw wneud y pethau yma o ran gorfod wneud o, bod nhw'n darganfod perthynas nhw gyda'r iaith I hunan, really. A newid meddwl o mae'r rhaid I ni wneud hwn I rhywbeth sydd yn mynd â pawb ar yr un siwrne gyda'r gilydd ac yn bod na isio wneud rhywbeth I symud y Cymraeg ymlaen.
I think a lot of theatre companies, like English language theatre companies predominantly, there's a lot of nervousness about using Welsh, and a little bit like us, lacking in confidence and not understanding how it's going to be received. But everything that we've experienced through this project has shown that, it's received really positively, and it's been really interesting, like exploring that side of like identity for the actors as well, which was a big part of why we applied.
Ag fe welwch chi, unwaith dych chi'n dechrau, ac unwaith dych chi wedi cyflwyno'ch hun, dyna'r cam cynta, ac unwaith dych chi'n teimlo, dyn ni'n iawn, dyn ni'n tynnu ymlaen yn iawn, bydd y gweddill yn gofalu amdani hi hunain. Mae o'n broses, mae'r bydi yna i'ch cefnogi chi le bynnag ydych chi, so di o ddim fel petai'r bydi yn hedfan mewn yn eich gorfodi I ddefnyddio'r Gymraeg, nid dyna'r pwrpas. Dyn ni yn gyfaill y Gymraeg, yn bydi.